Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me to get this glowing honey skin. And I'm teaching you how I do my hair, which is like super simple. And then my outfit. So it's the full deal, and I really hope you guys will enjoy this video, maybe learn something from it, even though I suck at like tutorials and stuff. But it's cool, it's whatever. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. I'm kind of like choking right now, but that's okay because this top is cute. To prep my skin, I'm gonna first start off with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. You already know that, guys. This is the bomb.com. I'm just gonna spritz this all over my face, because last time I put my moisturizer on first and then I sprayed that, and a lot of you guys were like, oh my god, you're horrible, you're wrong, you're not a beauty, you suck. I'm taking my Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer, sensitive skin. So I'm gonna take some on my hands and just dab, 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 and then blend it all in. This is why I have acne. Yeah, yeet. For lips, I'm just gonna apply some Vaseline. So I'm just gonna take my middle finger and put some on my lips. Now onto my actual makeup. I'm going to prime my skin with my Benefit Professional Primer. I always do eyebrows first because I feel like that's the most important step. I just use these two, and then my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyebrow gel. Taking my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm going to carve out my eyebrows using this square flat-headed e.l.f. brush, which I recently got, and I like love it so much. It's so nice. Then I'm just going to blend everything out with a beauty blender. And then I'm just going to kind of set my eyelids since there is some concealer on it. So I'm going to go with my Perlette and Bloom, and then just take this powder brush and then just sweep this all over my eyelid. I'm going to be taking Flower Child. I'm not going to do any eye makeup, I'm just going to do some mascara. So I'm taking my eyelash curler and then my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. This is my all-time holy grail, amazing product that I love to death. So I'm just going to apply some of this onto my eyelashes. I'm literally so dumb, and I didn't realize that I should have done my mascara first. I'll just wait until it dries and I'll remove it later. Okay, now I'm just going to apply concealer to the rest of my face because I'm breaking out a lot, so I want to cover that up. I'm going to go back in with my Shape Tape. I'm in the midst of doing my makeup and filming a video. What do you want?
Here you go.
Oh my god, look at her. I look really yellow right now. What the heck? I want some flawless looking skin up in here. So I'm taking my It Cosmetics CC Plus powder. I'm going to take a lot. This is the third time she's called me. How many times have I told you there's really bad connection? Oh my goodness, what the heck do you want from me?
Okay, bye.
And then I'm going with my e.l.f. contour kit. I'm just taking the two darkest shades, and I'm going to contour the heck out of my big pan face. Going to remove this. That's way better. And then I'm gonna recurl my eyelashes just because they're not looking the best right now. I know it's bad to like curl your eyelashes after you apply mascara, but I always do it like this. Okay, for blush, I'm using my NARS. Yeah, okay, now I'm going to apply bottom eyelash mascara. This video is just not going well, everybody. I'm going to apply bottom eyelash mascara. It really just adds to your eyes a lot. And now I'm going to highlight using my all-time favorite highlighter, Laura Geller Gilded Honey. That's a lot. To finish the look off, I'm going to be adding just some clear gloss. This is my LA Colors Shea Butter High Shine Lip Gloss, and it's like really nice, and it also smells so good. I'm gonna take some golden hour pictures right now because, like, girl, do you see this? Now I'm going to set all this with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Now time for hair. I think I'm just gonna put my hair up into a really messy ponytail and have a scrunchie in. I really like how this orange looks with this top. I'm gonna take my brush, which you guys can also get 70% off using my discount code linked down below. Not sponsored. Just tease it a little. For my baby hairs, I'm going to just pull them down and out so that they're present. I used to hate my like wispies and like baby hairs so much, but now I'm kind of just appreciating them more. On to the outfit. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you smash the like button. I love y'all so, oh my god, that hurts so bad. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Adios.
Don't hesitate, I'll be the same all night. 거짓말처럼 돌아와 줄